Hello everyone, myself Komal from Nanotech Soft App. I am the co-founder of Nanotech Soft App. Nanotech is basically a group, and in this group we have two verticals. One vertical is a Nanotech Test and Measurement Solutions, and another is a Nanotech Soft App IT Solution. So today I will be talking about the Nanotech Soft App IT Solution. Nanotech Soft App is basically a visionary company, and it includes every kind of services, every kind of the technologies which are the niche in the market. Basically, Nanotech Soft App is focused on totally on-demand solutions. Now you will be asking, you're thinking, what is the on-demand solutions? On-demand solutions means what comes in your mind that can be converted into the software solutions. So Nanotech Soft App is basically a brainstorming company, software development company, which deals into complete software solutions. We have the branches in Gurgaon, we have our presence in Bangalore, India. Now we are going to set up our office in US, in Brazil, in Australia and Nigeria. Nanotech Soft App is started with its product development, basically which is a project management solution. Now we are focused in other services also. We are helping our clients all over the world with their ideas, with their company's business into the software solutions. What kind of the people or resources Nanotech Soft App is looking into? So we are looking for only the people, only the resources or the candidates who are passionate, who have dedicated their life, or they are going to dedicate their career towards the software. Basically they have the logical mind. We don't matter whether they are diploma, they are BTech, MC or BSc, it doesn't matter for us. It matters for us your skills, your attitude, your passion, and what kind of the person you want to become in a market, in your career also. So please join us if you want to build your career. If you don't have any skills, no worries. If you have a passion, just come to us and apply on our website nanotechsoftapp.com. You will see lot of positions are open, either you're senior guy, either you're junior guy or mid-level guy, and you will be able to see what all the positions we have opened. We have the open positions for the front-end developers, back-end developers, DevOps engineer, release engineers, VoIP engineers, Linux platform engineers, every niche technology which is demanded by most of the MNCs in the market like Google, Microsoft or Facebook. And we, as I said, is a visionary company, so we are going to beat their standard in coming days, and we need your support to fulfill all this. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Shikha. I'm the head HR from Nanotech Soft App Solutions. Today we are here to conduct campus interview thanks to Mr. Kamal Sharma, who has invited us for this opportunity. So we are here to explore and to get people, to get candidates who are actually passionate and actually willing to do something in life. So we are open for all kind of streams, and we can see the kind of crowd the campus have. So we welcome all the students who are actually looking for making their career in IT. So all the best.
We have Komal ma'am with us, Nanotech app. And ma'am, how's your experience in our mega job fair? May I know?
Sure. Hello everyone, myself Komal from Nanotech Soft App. Basically I just want to introduce first about the Nanotech Soft App. Nanotech Soft App is a very visionary company in the software niche domains, like all the niche technologies we are working on. Today we were invited by Mr. Kamal in WCTM for the mega job fair, and first of all, from the core of my heart, it was very nice experience, and the kind of the students that they used to have in that footfall, that was really amazing. They were very well versed in all the technologies, niche technologies which are demanding in the market. So basically we have selected around 40 candidates, and now we will be shortlisting for the another further round, and and we are targeting around 20 people for the final selection. And I would like to thank Mr. Kamal in WCTM for this holding us and inviting us for this mega job fair, and looking forward for more mega job fairs or like placement drives in this college very soon. Thank you.